I feel the wind.
Show me.
Look at this. Yeah. Oh my
Can
god.
I see?
A picture over there would be so
Yeah, I really want to
Oh,
go there with my
wow.
camera and just take pictures. Look at this.
Wow.
It's like an abandoned house.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
cool. This is where the haunted places. There are four different places to stay.
But it has a bad rating.
Yeah, they're all bed rate.
Why? It's directly on the street.
Yeah, and there are like a lot of teenagers.
Well, I don't think that there are teenagers now. Well, we can go there, and then if it's not good, we meet there, and then we see around.
Yeah.
If we don't like the place, and you send us all the location, you both will probably be faster than me.
No, I have stuff to do. Like,
What stuff?
I have to go grocery shopping. I have to refill my water.
What?
I have to go to.
What's with this big container of water that we
I
had?
put it in there in my van. You know, we can stay here and then go from there tomorrow to this area.
True.
So let's.
Hey guys, so we are deciding to go on a little vacation, on a on a little weekend trip, more or less. It's not a real vacation, just to get out of the place. We've been here pretty much for the last 1 month or 2, and hopefully exploring a haunted house tomorrow. I'm taking my 2 favorite people with me. Or they taking me. We're going to drive separately because he also prepared his little car for a night over. We're gonna say bye.
5-speed bicycle.
I was just driving, guys, and all of a sudden Toby was telling me he went grocery shopping and then his car didn't turn on. So I'm on my way to that spot that we sent it to just now by myself because I don't know what's happening now. Let's see where that will lead to now. We are entering the area. It's really beautiful, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, it is so muddy in here. I don't even know how to pass this. I fucked up. I'm stuck in the mud. Okay, let me see if I can get myself out of there. Have a look. What the? My friends were stuck and now I'm stuck as well. It's muddy here. It's muddy there. I knew this would happen. Why did I push through? And I'm like this, close to falling down. Now look at me. Looking like an Instagram baddie, but you know the drill. Now we have the other side. This is the corner down to hell. Otherwise, if I don't make it up front a little bit, I will stop it and wait till somebody comes.
Gonna get stuck too.
Oh shit!
Oh no, he's fine. He's fine.
Oh Jesus! They said it's not that stuck, but it's stuck. Yeah.
I mean, how crazy is it that you just post something and someone just randomly comes?
She's so lucky though.
It's so much happening right now.
Oh my god, look at my shoes, guys. Fuck that.
But yeah, you just found the worst muddy spot in the entire mountain because we have the 4x4.
Yeah.
So we are used to do the off-road.
Yeah.
So we know the mountain very well.
So we needed a second Jeep because I'm so deep in the mud that it just doesn't work. I tried digging for an hour or so, but
No, I think it's okay.
just the back part. There is not even a haunted house now after all.
What?
Not
You
here.
kidding?
And it's like a rave house. They were partying there back then.
What the fuck?
Yeah, they don't tell me.
Jesus, this is like a crime scene or something.
It is like I love it though, actually.
Just love attention.
No, not the attention. I just love the adventure. I love the adventure. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Turn right, turn right, turn right. More, more. I think I can drive now, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, finally. Oh my god.
You're just so happy now.
I'm so just like excited.
I'm gonna walk back to the van.
Oh my god. You're used to this thing, so. The end, where are we going now?
I don't know. Let's get out to the street first, and then I think we can decide and see. But
You can park exactly in the middle of there because you're the last car, so you can park exactly in the middle.
thank you so much. Yes. When will be gone. We have a leek mushroom pasta. So I just made it out with the help of some lovely people. We set up our camp. So yeah, I got out there safely. It's late. I'm hyped. You know, I'm so used to all the drama, all the things that already happened during my journey. That was just nothing, really. And I'm grateful that some people came and helped. Otherwise I would have been stuck there tomorrow, but now we can enjoy the evening. And I'm gonna show you tomorrow where we are. It's absolutely beautiful. Good night. Hey guys. Oh, what a day yesterday was. I don't look like anything happened, but me being stuck in the mud was funny and crazy. I was not really nervous. I was not scared. I was kind of settled almost to say, okay, if nobody's coming around, I would just stay there. But luckily, because I was posting the story on my Instagram, somebody noticed it and was sending my story into a Facebook group where they have 4x4 cars, where they help people who are stuck in the mud. And now we kind of parked close by in this really nice area in Sintra, and we're going for a hike today. So here we are already. So this is almost abandoned, like the This is almost like the abandoned ghost haunted house we want to go. It's so foggy.
Where's Toby?
I don't know. Which way are we going for the hike? Let's go where there's no people. Yeah. This is a 2-kilometer hike. 2 kilometers actually not far at all.
round the cape.
This is such a beautiful walk.
Ways, memory lane.
The doggies!
High tides rolling in to Portland, Maine.
Wow.
And I'm
What a rewarding walk after a crazy day yesterday. I'm in my hiking shoes though, at least. At least. But yeah, I'm actually not looking like I'm going on a hike. But who cares? I get ready for myself, not for the occasion. Life is too short, right?
but it's not so far away.
Wow, this is probably one of the most prettiest forests I've ever seen. None of my friends are around. They left me because I'm too slow. Where are you? Are you with Toby or are you separate? We should do a witch ritual here tonight. A witch ritual! Then we are totally haunted. I feel like we are in some middle-aged scene, you know? We arrived at a lake. Why did you even wash your shoes, Toby? After the mud yesterday, there is so much mud again. Do you even know where we're going? I feel like we're off the track. But it is really nice. Look at them. Look at all the doggies so happy outdoors. Yeah, I'm so happy for them. The guru has spoken. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. God, what are you doing there? I don't know if he's sitting or... Oh, Scott has a little bit of diarrhea. Hey, playing with a tree. Look at them. This is so cute. Who's gonna get it? Pan your pan. You have two now. I took my big jacket off. It got so warm. You know, you have to scream something into the woods. Hello? Sorry, Kardashian.
Kardashian, where are you? This way or this way?
You know where there was a proper path? Even more up.
Okay.
Let's do it. Oh, I love it. It really reminds me when I first started van life somehow. I don't know why. I was in France and there were some woods like this.
So why is my confidence oceans from here? Send me a sailboat.
We finished our walk. Look at Miss Kardashian sitting there like a princess. Look at the rock formation. Nice spot. And now what? You don't see anything though. If we go up there, it's like a hill. We maybe see the beach.
Yeah. Okay, we go there. Okay, Guru, we're coming with you.
Okay, wait, give me like Who's coming with me? Thailand.
Thailand.
Oh guys, we're back at the spot now for the sunset. And it really looks like we're above the clouds. It's beautiful. Oh guys, look at here. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oi. And all the fog disappeared like really quick. Okay, I'm coming. Hi, Scotty! Jalapeno! Wow. Oh my god, guys.
Oh, and I'm learning that that's okay.
It's crazy. It looks like you're flying. It's like you're flying. It's like you're in the airplane, but you can touch it. You know? You could just grab the whole world.